reconciliation starts with respect. Respect of one community for another, learning about each other, understanding each other's story. And in particular, for the non-Indigenous community, to truly understand the story of the Aborigines and Torres Strait Islanders. And not just of their suffering in the past, and not just of their great history extending back tens of thousands of years, but understanding the injustices that that community still experiences today. The gap between the two communities when it comes to education, when it comes to health, when it comes to levels of crime. These gaps cry out for action. But the action starts with knowledge, understanding, and respect. But more than respect, reconciliation at its heart is about relationships. And this week, today, we resolve to deepen and strengthen our relationships. On a national level, as we all are citizens of this great country of Australia, we are all involved in the wonderful project which is developing our country and our people. But we can go further. On a communal level, we as Jews have a special opportunity to reach out to the Indigenous people. We share values. We share the knowledge of suffering, adversity during vulnerability, but we share a passionate concern to maintain our culture, our language, our religion, and a special connection to a land which we feel we are connected to and which in a sense is our home, in a similar way to which the Aboriginal people feel about their land and their home. And it's no coincidence that we're able to salute today the courage and the foresight of William Cooper, whose passion for the human rights for his own community extended to human rights for all, including the Jewish people. And we can and we must go further. Beyond the national relationship, beyond the communal relationship, at its heart must lie individual relationships. We're very honoured to welcome today Leonie, as we've welcomed your father and in the past, and other Aboriginal representatives. We're very proud that every year we send students from Year 9 to Yorta Yorta to encounter the Yorta Yorta people and to share their lives even just for a few days. And we're also proud that the Yorta Yorta program involves not just a visit, but intense learning and preparation and understanding. But we need to do more. We need to do more as a society, and I say we need to do more as a school. We need to find more opportunities for true relationships based on respect, leading to reconciliation. We need to do more until we truly can walk together with courage. Thank you.